Good morning, children. So, today we will study about two islands which are there in India. But before starting, children, what is an island? An island is a piece of land that is surrounded by water on all sides. So, here, as you can see, children, this is a piece of land which is surrounded or which is covered by water on all sides. So, this is an island, and today we are going to study about two such group of islands which is there in India. They are the Lakshadweep Islands and the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So, firstly, we will study about Lakshadweep Islands. Lakshadweep Islands are a group of 36 beautiful coral islands which lie in the Arabian Sea. Corals are tiny skeletal substances secreted by marine animals. Lakshadweep is the smallest union territory of India. So, children, Lakshadweep Islands are a group of islands. Group of islands means many small islands are combined to form a bigger group of island. And as you have already studied, or as I have already told you, that an island is a piece of land which is surrounded by water on all sides. So Lakshadweep Islands are also surrounded by Arabian Sea on all sides. See here, children, on the western side. So Lakshadweep Islands is on the western side of India in the Arabian Sea. As you can see here very clearly, Arabian Sea is written, and here you have the Lakshadweep Island in the Arabian Sea, and many small islands are combined together to form Lakshadweep Islands. So, how many islands are there in Lakshadweep? There are 36 islands in Lakshadweep Island, and 36 islands are there. And here we are learning about a new term, children, called coral. What is a coral? So, children, corals are tiny skeletal substances secreted by marine animals. So, this is the definition of coral, that corals are tiny skeletal substances which is secreted, or we can also say released, by marine means animals that live under water. So, secreted by animals that live under water. And as you can see here, just beside this paragraph, a very beautiful picture of coral reef underwater is there. So, this is only the coral, and the marine animals secrete a skeletal substance which leads to the formation of coral. So, children, Lakshadweep Islands are also known as coral islands because coral is found in Lakshadweep. Then, Lakshadweep is the smallest union territory. So, children, Lakshadweep is the smallest union territory of India, and union territory means that it comes under the control of central government, or it is under the control of central government. Now, Kavaratti is the capital city. Only 10 of 36 islands are inhabited. Tourism is the main economic activity in this region. Some popular islands are Amindivi, Minicoy and Agatti. These islands are popular for water sports. So, children, firstly we will deal till this much. Now, what is the capital of Lakshadweep? So, Lakshadweep is a union territory and its capital is Kavaratti. So, Kavaratti is the capital city of Lakshadweep. Now, what is the main economic activity of this place? So, the main economic activity is tourism. What is economic activity? economic activity simply means how people are earning money in Lakshadweep Island. So in Lakshadweep, through tourism, people are earning money because there are many beautiful islands such as Amandini, Minicoy and Agatti. So people come to visit these islands from every part of the world, and that is why through tourism people earn money. And children, all these islands like Amandini, Minicoy and Agatti are also famous for water sports. Sports which is played in water like boating, scuba diving, etc. So these are some of the water sports which can be done here in Lakshadweep Islands. Then the main occupation here is agriculture and fishing. Coconut cultivation is the major economic activity here. This region is also popular for coir items and beautiful corals. The main languages of Lakshadweep are Malayalam and Mahal. So children, apart from tourism, people are also practicing farming as well as fishing. So people are involved in agriculture also, and they catch and sell fish also. And coconut, children, is grown in large quantities here. So coconut cultivation is also an important economic activity, and as you have already read, economic activity means a way or a means to earn money. So people are growing coconut, then selling it in the market, and thus they are earning money. Next, Lakshadweep Island is famous for coir. Coir items mean things that are made from coconut shells like rope and mats. So you will find nariyal ki rassi and coconut mats, floor mats. So those are coir items which are made from the coconut shells. Now Lakshadweep Island is also famous for its beautiful corals. As you can see here, coral, this looks very beautiful, and this is a popular tourist attraction also. People from all over the world come to visit this type of corals or coral island. And lastly children, the main languages of this place are Malayalam and Mahal. So these two are the main languages. So this is about Lakshadweep, children. Now we will read about Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Andaman and Nicobar Islands are two group of islands which lie in the Bay of Bengal. The capital of Andaman and Nicobar is Port Blair. Rice is the main food crop of Andaman Islands. So children, as we have just read, Andaman and Nicobar Island lies in the Bay of Bengal, and they are two groups of island. So one is Andaman Island that lies on the top, and Nicobar Islands which lie on the bottom. Okay, so as you can see here children, here on the eastern part of India in the Bay of Bengal, you have Andaman and Nicobar Islands, very clearly it's written. And if you will see the top, on the top where islands are there, it is written North Andaman, Middle Andaman and South Andaman. Then down if you see, or bottom if you see, it is written Little Nicobar, Great Nicobar. So Andaman and Nicobar, in Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Andaman Island is on the top and Nicobar Island is in the bottom or is below the Andaman, in Andaman Islands. Now children, there are in total 572 islands in Andaman and Nicobar. So there are 572 islands in Andaman and Nicobar, but people live only on 37 such islands. So out of 572, people live only on 37 islands. Next children, The capital of Andaman and Nicobar Island is Port Blair. It is Port Blair. And which is the main food crop of Andaman Islands? Rice is the main food crop of Andaman Islands. So rice is grown in large quantities here. Then coconut and areca nut are the cash crops of Nicobar Islands. Pulses, oil seeds, vegetables and fruits such as banana, papaya, pineapple and root crops are grown here. Spices like pepper, cinnamon and clove are grown in some areas. So, what are the cash and food crops grown here, children? So, coconut and areca nut. Areca nut is also known as betel nut, or in Hindi it is known as supari. So, these are a type of nuts and they are cash crops of Nicobar Islands. They are the cash crops of Nicobar Islands, and cash crop means, children, that they are only grown for the sale in the market. For selling it in the market, it is not used by the farmers. Then, other than cash crops, food crops like pulses, oil seeds, vegetables and fruits like banana, papaya, pineapple and root crops. What are root crops? So, crops like carrot, radish, turnip, these are root crops. So, these are the major food crops and cash crops grown here. Then, spices. Spices like pepper, cinnamon and cloves are also grown in Nicobar Islands. Then the last paragraph, the main industry, however, is fishery and tourism. Some places of tourist interest are the Cellular Jail, Barren Island, Cove Beach and Coral Island. The main languages spoken here are Bengali, Tamil, Hindi and Telugu. So children, the major industry here are fishery. Fishery can also be called as fishing industry, and tourism. So fishing and tourism are the two major industries here, and the major tourist spots are Cellular Jail, Barren Islands, Cove Beach and Coral Islands. So all these places are the tourist destinations, and the major languages spoken by people here are Bengali, Tamil, Hindi, Telugu. So these are all the main languages which are spoken here. Now children, this is coral which is found inside the sea or ocean. So this is coral which is found in both Lakshadweep as well as Andaman and Nicobar Island, and this is formed due to a secretion which is secreted by the marine animals or the animals that live inside the water. So this is a popular tourist spot or a popular tourist attraction. People come to see these things. Next children, this is the Cellular Jail. Cellular Jail, it is also one of the important tourist destinations, and basically children, this is a jail and it is also known as Kala Pani in Hindi. So in Hindi it is known as Kala Pani, and in English it is known as Cellular Jail, which is in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Next here children, this is the Barren Island which is also in Andaman and Nicobar. As you can see, it is surrounded by water on all sides, and this is an active volcano. Smoke comes from it all the time. So this is an active volcano. This is also a tourist spot or a tourist attraction in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So children, with this we have finished this lesson. So today we read about two island groups. First is Lakshadweep Island and it lies in Arabian Sea, and second is Andaman and Nicobar Island which lies in the Bay of Bengal. So children, in the next class we will be discussing all the question and answers. So your homework is that you will try to solve the short exercises which are given at the back. All the short exercises like true and false, match the column and fill in the blanks. Write it with pencil in the book itself, and in the next class we will be discussing all the back exercises, but still you will try to solve the exercises, shorter ones, in your book itself. Now revise the lesson again children, and if you have any doubt you can message me on Campus Care. Now I will see you in the next video. Thank you children.